Bengal.
Bengal. When it was passed in 1773 AD. When was it passed? Now you don't ask.
70,
Just
70,
a raw
70,
sir told.
70, 70.
In 1773 AD, Regulating Act was passed by whom? British government. At that time, who was Governor General? Nawab of
Bengal.
Governor General. I am writing in short form. Okay. After that, who were the council who were the who were regulating all trading and political activities? That is Governor of Governor General of Mumbai and Madras, and their council were regulating all political and trading activities. Got it? What is Regulating Act? Regulating Act was passed by British government in 1773 AD. At that time, Governor General was Nawab of Bengal, and all the activities were carried out by all the political and trading activities were carried out by him. Sorry. Moreover, the Governor General of Mumbai and Madras and their council were brought under their control. So, who has brought under the control? That is Nawab of Bengal. Now, one by one, we
Bengal.
will be studying list. Okay, who was the first Governor General? Yes, then after no, Cornwallis. Cornwallis. Third,
Cornwallis.
Sir John Shore. Fourth, Wellesley. At that time, he has given subsidiary alliance system in detail that we will be studying. Then, yes, it was like a sweat poison. Then Warren Hastings. Then William Bentinck, and then Dalhousie, who has given annexation policy, and with him he has banned child marriages, widow remarriages. He has started English education. Three universities were started out in 1857 by him. That is in Madras, Chennai, and Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata. Wireless system was
Kolkata.
started. Postal services was started. Mumbai and Thane in 1853 AD it was started. So these were the benefits that India was suffering, and some way we were losing by expansion of British rule as they were ruling in India. Clear this much? Clear? Clear?
Yeah, ma'am. Clear.
Now, one by one, we will be learning different Governor General and their major events. That is very important answer. Okay. First is Warren Hastings. First is Warren Hastings. Warren Hastings. So during his time, first Maratha War and second Maratha War with Hyder Ali of Mysore took place. During his time, which first Maratha War and second Maratha War took place. With whom? Hyder Ali of Mysore. Those who are not noting, I am coming to see you. Note down, that's much. So during the time period of first Governor General of India, that is Warren Hastings, first Maratha War and second Maratha War took place with Hyder Ali Merchant of Mysore. Okay, don't laugh. It's not my home. I'm not giving you my home. Over. Handwriting Saraka. Second was second Governor General was Cornwallis. Second was Cornwallis. Okay, now Cornwallis. At that time, Third Mysore War took with Tipu Sultan. Third Mysore War was taken place with Tipu Sultan. First and second at the time period of Warren
Tipu Sultan.
Hastings, with whom that is Hyder. Second Cornwallis, that is Third Mysore War with Tipu Sultan. War, WAR, fight. થઈ જાય હો બેટા. Noted. Next is Sir John Shaw. Third is Sir John Shaw. Wait. The fame of the company declined in his reign due to the sum of his Vijay policy. As a result, Marathas became stronger, so Wellesley was made the governor. So at that time, this company, that is British East India Company, Britishers want to rule over India. Yes, rule over Marathas. At that time, Maratha has declined that treaty to be passed. So who became powerful? Marathas became powerful. At his tenure, who became powerful? Marathas became powerful. Why? Because they have declined the treaty. Okay? Due to some rigid policies. Next is Wellesley. Very important. Powerful. Powerful. Recording.
Now your mic is unmute. Ma'am, your mic is mute. No.
Next is Sir John Shaw. Sorry, Wellesley. Next is Wellesley. He has given, at the time of his period, when he was Governor General, he has given one policy that is known as subsidiary alliance system. Subsidiary alliance system. In this, all the princely states has to join this system for the expansion of the British rule. So, first who has joined, that is Nizam of Hyderabad has joined, then Ayodhya and that all joined. But Marathas didn't want to join subsidiary alliance system. So fourth Mysore war was happened at that time. Next, fourth Mysore war was happened, and in this policy its main aim was that British Army and British administratives will be also presented in the royal court. When there is some meetings or that all, at that time who will be present? British Army and British administrative representatives will also be present. Then they have started forcefully, they were asking princely state to sign this victim, but Marathas didn't want. So last Hyderabad, then Ayodhya, the Peshwas of Vadodara, they all joined this subsidiary alliance system, but Maratha didn't join. But at the time of fourth Mysore war, we means Marathas didn't join, but after the death of Nana Fadnavis, okay, after his death, the Marathas has to join subsidiary alliance system. Clear? And this way, British became powerful in India. Clear? Clear? Next comes, next comes Warren Hastings. Next comes Hastings. Clear this much? Now he has fought a war. At his time, he has fought a war with Nepal. At his time, he has fought war with Nepal and joined Gurkhas of Nepal to join the British army. So now they went to Nepal forcefully and they wanted the Gurkhas to join British army. He also fought a battle with Pindharis and took control with them. And he fought the third Maratha and finished the task of establishing the supremacy of this company. Okay? So at that time they went to Nepal and fought a war with Nepal, and what they want to do, they want their Gurkhas to join the British army. Second, they have also fought a war with Pindharis and achieved a supremacy in India. Clear? Next came Bentinck. He is known as the Liberal Governor General. Liberal Governor General because he has given only liberal policies. Yes? fought battle with Nepal? Why they have fought battle with Nepal? Nepal. Fought battle with Pindaris. Clear? Same as Sikh and that all. Over here, Pindaris are there. Sikh people, you are knowing? Sikh people, same like that way. They are doing. What? With WITH, with Pindar, fought battle with Nepal, NEPAL. Got it? Next is William Bentinck. William Bentinck. Now, at his time period, he is known as just Governor General, Liberal Governor General. Why he was known as Liberal Governor General? Because he has given liberal deeds. Clear? Only this much you have to remember. And last is Dalhousie, who has given annexation policy. Last. So now, last is Dalhousie policy. That is annexation policy. When Governor General, at last, who was the Governor General? That is Dalhousie. No one. He was a fierce imperialist as well as reformist. He has adopted the policy of annexation. Which policy was adopted? Annexation policy was adopted by him. When was he Governor? He was Governor General in 1848 AD. Okay. Which policy has adopted? Policy of next policy of annexation he has adopted. Then in 1853 AD he has passed the first railway line between Mumbai and Thane. Between Mumbai and Thane, first railway line was passed out by whom? Dalhousie. Maharashtra. In which year? 1853 AD. Okay. Second thing he has started, that is postal services, wireless system. Yes. Mumbai and Thane. Wireless system. Clear? Thane. THANE. Yes. Postal services. wireless system. He has banned out child marriages and widow remarriages. Yes, I know it. And started English education. What he has started? Child marriage and widow remarriage. Next started English education. That is Mumbai. Remarriage. And Kolkata. In which year universities were started? 1857. So this way, yes. So within the span of 100 years, Britishers has benefited us like this way, and we were dissatisfied also, and we were satisfied. Yes. Widow remarriage. WIDOW. Widow remarriage. Clear? Now last topic, that is economic and social impact of company rule. Not too much important. Okay, so just I am explaining you. Economic impact. With the span of 100 years, we have lost, as the Britishers came to India, they started collecting the tax and that also. Yes, so our economic system got down. So same over here, cotton cloth, rose silk, sugar, jute, muslin cloth, all this larger exporter of Bengal has stopped this activity. So due to this, economic system became lost. We were in loss. That's why our Indian artisans were poor and unemployed. Poor means, as they are not, unemployed means what? As they are not having job. So they will be poor. Yes, and Britishers were earning huge profit. Okay, unfair taxes where they were collecting from cotton textile industries. Yes, so this way our economic impact got in loss. Okay, next is positive impact, that first railway line and that all was started. Yes, now we tell it social impact. Social impact. During this administration, British administration, newspaper was started by Indians. Yes, due to that we will be people can speak. They will be getting any of the speech. Freedom of speech was told by people. The second thing, wrong social customs like sati system, female infanticide, child remarriage were taken away. Okay, social reformers like Rajaram Mohan Roy, Durgaram Mohan Mehta, Behramji Malbari, they have passed the laws to ban this system, that is sati system, child infanticide. Yes, the British used to conduct their administrative works in English. All the administrative works will be done in English. And Charles Wood recommended to establish university and impart education in English in cities like Mumbai, Madras and Kolkata. This resulted that Indians were getting knowledge of English, and this time this group started demanding social reforms from the British. Clear? So over here we have completed the revision of chapter number 1. If you are having any of the doubts in chapter number 1, just now you are having 10 minutes, you can ask me Otherwise, I will move to chapter number 15, revision. Very important chapter. 15. This is also important. Yes. Yes.
Hello. Hello.
Chapter number 15, drainage system. What is drainage system? Just now only we will be studying that much.
Okay, ma'am.
Drainage
Okay.
system. Means study of a river pattern of a region. River pattern of a region is known as drainage system. Sometimes it is dendrite pattern, sometimes trellis pattern, sometimes rectangular, sometimes radial. So these all patterns of river is known as drainage system. Clear? Different patterns are there. That is, first is radial, dendrite, trellis, and rectangular. You all are noting? And what is drainage pattern? So natural arrangement of a river. Sometimes it is coming, the river is originating from mountain. So its pattern is natural. So it is known as drainage pattern, and meeting their tributaries is known as drainage pattern. So today we will keep till here.
Hello.